Welcome. This tutorial is about how to draw polygons and stars in CorelDRAW. To draw a polygon, first select Polygon tool from the toolbox. Drag in the document until the polygon is of the size you want. You can draw a polygon from its center by holding down the Shift button and dragging. In order to draw a symmetrical polygon, press Ctrl and drag. To draw a star, select the star tool from the toolbox. Drag in the document until it is of the size you require. To draw a star from its center, hold down the Shift button and drag. To draw a symmetrical star, hold down the Control button and drag. To draw a complex star, select Complex Star tool from the toolbox. In order to change the number of sides of any polygon, click on the polygon. Now go to the Properties bar. You can increase or decrease the number of sides of polygon. To reshape a polygon, select the Shape tool. Bring it to any node of polygon and drag. Now again select the Pick tool. To change the sides of a star, first select the star and then go to the Properties bar. Here you can increase or decrease number of sides of the star. You can also increase or decrease the sharpness of the star. Thank you.